Hello, welcome back to the Dragon Flow Lab. My name is Paul, and I wanted to do a continuation off that one video that we did at the beach on forearm rolls for the dragon staff. Okay, so I wanted you guys to get up a close-up version of this one. So normally when you're doing your halftime chi roll, you're starting off like this. You're gonna get the momentum from your offhand, because your offhand is gonna be almost like a Kickstarter or a launch pad for you. Your backhand of your hand that you're doing the forearm roll with will be, doing all the work, but this will be the horizontal rotation that it's going to help you do. Or you can use a body horizontal rotation that helps you out get there on your way. Okay, so what's happening is we're just going to review this again. So we're coming up right here, and I'm holding this with my other hand so I can understand it a little bit better. So you're coming up, and this is rotating, and I'm going up to my fingertips right here, and we get to a trust fall moment where this is going to roll to this side, to almost my pointer finger, or even my pointer and my middle finger right here. So it's going to roll up and rotate. And remember, when it rotates horizontal, it's actually going to come towards you just a little bit. And this is going to be a short-lived moment, right? As it rolls towards you, you're going to come to your wrist, and it's rotating at the same time. It's going horizontal, and it's rolling towards you at the same time. At this point, right here, as I've transferred from this backhand of my palm to the front hand of my two fingers right here, this is where I'm going to keep it up, and it's going to roll down to about my wrist or a little bit after. And this is where I can have my chicken wing moment. So I'm using, instead of the track being on the back of my hand, the track is now going to be my shoulder. And now I can go ahead and finish the move there. So in a slow-mo kind of rotation, I'm coming up my fingers right here. It's going over my head. I'm trust falling that it's going to go to my fingers. It's still above my head. It's going to be rolling towards me to my wrist. Now it's ready to come back down and have my chicken wing moment. And that's how it's going to go. So yeah, that was kind of cool. So we're going to come up again. We're going to do it again. So up to your fingers, rotating around the head, trust falling across the fingers, keeping it above your head, past the wrist, chicken wing, and then go ahead and that's how you get it down there. So I just wanted you guys to see a close-up version of it, because when I did it on the beach, it was quite far. So yeah, that's it. And if you give it enough kick horizontally, you can actually keep this going for quite some time. 2 or 3, maybe even 4. I don't know, maybe 2 right there. So it depends how fast you do it. If you really give it a good kick, kick it, you'll get 2 or 3, and then you can actually rotate it. Yeah, so you get sloppy on the third one. So yeah, and be sure to practice this with both hands, as my left side is not as great as my right. So same thing goes. Now this movement, if you got to get used to it without the dragon staff, it's an upward. It's like an upward point, like a bird ready to fly, and then it's kind of like this little shoo fly don't bother me kind of movement, or oh okay, or whatever. So it's like whatever this movement gets to you, it's almost going to feel like that, because you'll want this movement where you're coming in like this. You're actually just flipping as it goes over your fingers. You're just kind of doing this little side scoop thing. So it's like coming over my hand right here, and it comes around over my fingers, and then it's oh my god, it's so hard. It's like this side scoop. There you go, up, side scoop. And if you have to do it, do this for a while. Just do a side scoop, and then chicken wing, side scoop, and chicken wing right there. So remember, it is rotating horizontally and towards you at the same time. So be sure to It's all timing, positioning, and you'll be able to grind this out. So just give it some time and you got this. It took me a while, and I hope it takes you a shorter time than it took me. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Yeah.